I would like to talk about how we can pair this with red light therapy, because I recall there's a ton of studies, right? And it's hydrogenstudies.com. Is that right?
Yes, hydrogenstudies.com. And then I also own redlightstudies.com. But
Oh, I did not know you owned that one.
yeah.
So this is so exciting, but I'm going to let you talk since, like,
No, it's all good. I love red light. I created the Luminova red light bed in 2020. It is the best red light bed on the market. And quite honestly, red light is amazing. When you combine hydrogen and red light, it's incredible. We also have vitamin D lights where 1 minute a day, 2 minute a day exposure can have you at peak vitamin D3 levels in your body. So that website is lumanova.com, LUMANOVA.com. And so you can go and learn about light and all kinds of ways that light can help you. But
I must have spelled it. Oh, there it comes. Okay. So I just posted the hydrogenstudies.com.
perfect. Yeah.
I'm just going to show people real quick what they're looking for.